The equipment behind me is a wide-format laser etching machine for our customer. It's specifically designed for laser etching and scrubbing of electrode sheets. It's compatible with electrode sheets ranging from 300 to 650 millimeters in width and features one-click changeover function, achieving a production efficiency up to 25 meters per minute, setting a new industry benchmark. Highlight 1. High speed and precision. This machine integrates 60 sets of high-speed galvanometers and lasers, achieving flexible etching spacing from 0.5 to 2 mm. The line width is precisely controlled between 50 to 150 micrometers, and the line depth can reach 10 to 30 micrometers. It not only meets diverse production needs but also improves the industry standard laser etching efficiency from 23 meters per minute to 25 meters per minute, while maintaining an outstanding yield rate of over 99%. Highlight 2. Intelligent detection and error proofing. The laser workstation incorporates an industrial camera detection system, effectively preventing repeated etching and eliminating defective products. Additionally, each set is equipped with 4 sets of high-precision 3-division systems with detection accuracy reaching 2 micrometers, allowing for precise measurements of groove width and depth. Besides, 4 sets of 2-division systems comprehensively monitor line spacing, MDTD spacing, and edge distance. It's compatible with 650 mm wide incoming material inspection, achieving comprehensive and high-efficiency quality control. Highlight 3. Integrated Intelligent Controller. The host computer software developed by UW Laser integrates equipment controller, math system, and optical process formula, greatly simplifying the operation process, making operation and model changeover more convenient.